But in Mexico City, like if there's like 2 lanes, 4 lanes of the road, there'll be like 6 lanes of traffic.
Jacob, how are you liking this drive so far?
So like every 5 minutes the other side will clear up, and then we'll pull in and just be cruising on that side, and a truck comes and we got to swerve in the lane at the last second.
Does it scare you?
Oh no, they got it down to a science here. He said normal.
Look at that cow grazing. Look at him. He's crazy. We're in Guatemala.
Our next stop in Guatemala was this amusement park named Xetulul. It was about a 3-hour drive from Guatemala City, so we decided to hire a driver to take us there and back.
Jeremy, say hi to the vlog.
Hello. It's actually really nice in here. And then show them the sink panel in the bathroom for the window.
We're walking to the park from our hotel. Right on the side of the road.
We're going like official Urtra property now. You know,
We're gonna have Urtra Park completion after this trip. We've done all the Urtra Park. If we're gonna do the water park too. So.
We're at Xetulul. Do you think we're like the only English people here?
100% sure, yeah. I don't think no one speaks English here.
I still haven't seen Avalancha yet.
Avalancha's way back over there.
It's like hidden in the park, like it's forested. It's very bushy here.
After buying admission to the park, we then bought a ride wristband. Admission was like $23 for here in the water park.
No, it's
wristband.
$18
okay.
dollars for two parks.
Park
hopper. For the day.
And then the wristband was another like $7. So
we're gonna go to the adventure park tomorrow probably, because I literally just want to ride Avalancha like all day. Like I don't really give a damn.
They have this really nice pyramid in the middle of the park though. But that's not what we came for. We came for Avalancha, the 8-inversion intimate in Guatemala, which only got beat out by most inversions in North America by Steel Curtain about 2-3 years ago. This thing kind of looks huge in person, like.
yeah, it's really like because it crosses over itself a lot, and you can see like the polar bears.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, you can like step. Oh, we're gonna see the train run.
Are you ready for back row on Avalancha?
Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's gonna be.
Look, they have 2 trains.
The other train is down for maintenance right now though.
I think it's better in the back than in the front.
It's way smoother in the front, but he is right. It might be more forceful towards the back.
Yeah, it bangs up your head a lot. Like,
But it's a lot hotter today, so I don't know if you're just graying out more from like just the heat and the dehydration, or like it's actually that much better back here.
overall, this roller coaster is like actually really good. It's forceful, it's fast. I like it. All right, quick review on the water park. It was good. It's really good. They had mat racers that went down and then back up, and that was like crazy. We got so much airtime. They had a water coaster that launched you straight and then dropped you. That one was like really crazy. And then they had a family raft slide, which I don't think is made for like 4 Americans. So we all sat in it and we like went off the edge of the slide.
All
What'd
the
you
like
think?
towers are like themed. Like I like the Aztec towers. Like that's almost all of them. And then there's like the trees, and like all the slides were like really good. Like a lot of unique stuff. Like I don't usually ride.
This park, guys, is really, really cool. It is a top water park. There's like 4 really good slides so you can ride over and over again. Like the looping water slides are really smooth. They aren't my back. The family raft was like really good.
The family raft was out of control. That was like
Yeah,
probably,
like,
it was.
I thought we were
flying,
gonna die on that one.
This was amazing too.
And
Yeah.
Mat
Oh my god.
racers, like,
So
so
the mat
crazy.
racers here, like
They have
I don't
so
know explain
much
it. It's like
Yeah,
triple,
like,
triple
goes up.
down, and you can kick off, and you get airtime, and then like the third hill is like you're getting ejector like down. It's huge. It's the tallest water slide in Central
It's
America,
so
and then
scary.
it does an
It's
airtime
like-
hill, and like our fat asses, since we're American, we fly over it. But the little Guatemalan kids are like about
They,
to
like, barely
valley.
valley.
But Jeremy went so fast
Oh
over
my
it, he
God.
caught airtime, and then
He hit
just,
the
like,
end,
went into
like
the wall,
hit the
like-
end of the run out, like.
yeah, yeah.
And the ride wasn't open the rest of the
And all the
day.
Guatemalan
Yeah.
kids were like, ah!
And then they
like,
closed the
like-
mat racers. Jeremy, how's your experience on the mat racers? Like,
It's the best mat racers out there. It's so good. When
Uh-huh.
it has like the second drop is like woo, and it's so far, and you pick up so much speed. It's like 30 miles an hour maybe.
it was crazy.
It's so.
And then
good.
you hit the end.
And then I literally like I wasn't slowing down, and I ran into the wall at the very end. I knocked over a cone. Everyone was watching like, holy shit, did that really happen?
It was good.
It was good.
It was good. Credit number 2, El Raton Feliz. So this is it. As you can see, they're all connected.
It looks so weird that there's 5 of them. I thought there would be like 4. And then the layout is so small. Like,
What is this? This is nuts.
weird.
What did you guys think of that?
That was like the best spinning coaster I've ever been on.
It's like, yeah, that's gonna be something like we're gonna hype it up, and people are gonna be like, oh, it's
That
just
was
trash.
incredible.
It's really
it's
fun,
fun
like-
so much.
So we just rode the spinning coaster, and it started by the guys spinning us in the station, and we didn't stop spinning for the whole entire thing.
It just got more and more intense as the
Yeah.
ride went. Even going up the
It was
lift hill,
like-
we just kept spinning the same
It
way.
was so good. All right, so guys, the next segment in our vlog, we wanted a backstage tour of Avalancha. We want to take footage, like, and stuff. And they told us if we bring them 4 Pepsis, that they will take us and walk us around. So we're gonna go get the Pepsis right now.
Let's go.
I wasn't sure if they were being serious or not, but they are.
They literally want to walk us around.
32 quetzos. How much is that, Mark?
Like $5, not even.
No, not even. That's like 34.
32.
Are you excited?
$4. We'll see what they give us for
Can
these
you
4 Pepsi.
can you believe they said this? Like,
What kind of trade-off is that?
I know.
Give us soda, we'll give you a walk-back tour.
I didn't believe you, but then when the train came in, he was like Pepsi, Pepsi, Pepsi. Like I to pick up the people. Gracias.
so the way it happened is I'm sitting on the train in the back row. My restraint is down. They come up to me with Google Translate on their phone, and they hand it to me, and they say, "We will take you around if you bring us 4 sodas." So we were like, "Yeah." So that's what we're doing. We got the sodas now. Where are they? Whoa.
I can't believe this is happening right now.
Thank you.
We got it.
Soda.
Or
Yeah.
maybe, if we could want to sit ride, or when it comes, then we could go for like 5 minutes.
I love how they unbuckle the seatbelts as the train comes in. So this is what Avalancha looks like up close. It's like huge. We're in the avalanche. This is like sick. Where's Mark? Oh, I see them. They're in the back row. I think this is like the seriously most cool thing ever. So I don't really like care about footage that much, like off ride, but I think it's just so like cool to be standing like inside of a roller coaster while it's running in Guatemala. This is closing time here at Xetulul. Honestly, a pretty good end to this day. We got the Intamin behind me, the Aiden version, the only one I think left. It is incredible. We got our friends over here. They helped us to see Avalancha, and this park is like amazing. It is seriously my favorite in Guatemala and all of Latin America, honestly. Goodbye, Xetulul.
Bye. Adios.
Adios. Like, comment, subscribe down below, please. Gracias.